The H10Plus coffee maker is designed to offer a high level of customization for coffee enthusiasts. Here are some of its key features. Core features: DIY pressure adjustment. This is the standout feature, allowing you to fine-tune the extraction pressure to suit your coffee preferences. Temperature control. Adjust the water temperature between 90 degrees Celsius and 95 degrees Celsius for optimal coffee extraction. Stable pressure output. The machine ensures consistent pressure throughout the brewing process for consistent results. Safety features. Includes an automatic overpressure protection valve to prevent accidents. Additional features. Elegant design. The combination of creamy white finish, solid wood accents, and stainless steel gives the H10Plus a premium look. Intuitive operation. Easy to use for both beginners and experienced coffee lovers. Fast heating. Quickly reaches the desired temperature for minimal wait time. Here are some of the pros and cons of the H10Plus coffee maker. Pros: unparalleled customization, consistent results, elegant design, user-friendly, fast heating. Cons: price point, steep learning curve, cleaning and maintenance. Overall, the H10Plus coffee maker is a fantastic option for coffee lovers who crave control and consistency in their brew. However, the investment and learning curve might deter casual coffee drinkers. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.